Recreation Department is excited to announce that the Norwalk Arts and Sports Complex is now opening up our fitness center to the general public from 6 to 7:30 a.m. All you need is a general membership to enter.
Membership packages include senior and adult memberships. To obtain a membership, visit the Norwalk Arts and Sports Complex and the front counter staff will be happy to assist you.
Early bird hours will only allow access to the NAC Fitness Center, restrooms, and locker room facilities. There will also be fitness center staff to assist you during your workout.
We can't wait to see you!